Hello, this is Maths with Lemon, and in this topic we will see applications of the geometrical sequences, and especially the percentage growth of different quantities. Um, let's see some basic things. Now, applications are concerning mostly interest rates, population growth, and similar things, where usually it's being given by a percentage r square, r percentage. The PV is represents the present value of my investment or the population or whatever, and the FV is the future value of the topic that I'm interested in. Now, N is the periods that we have. All these are interest rates are yearly, monthly, compounded, basically yearly, monthly, and so on. Now, the basic thing is to see first the formula, which is FV equals PV times 1 plus R over 100, which is my percentage, to the power of N. Now this one, the formula changes depending what kind of interest I have. Is it yearly? It will be like, it will be just N. Is it monthly or quarterly or half year? This changes a little bit the formula, but the general idea is the same. Now, a small detail here is that if I don't have an increase, this is basically for an increase. Okay? If I have a decrease, it is the same formula but with a minus here, because the percentage is making the quantity lower, it decreases it. So basically it's with plus or minus. Let's see an example here. Let's say that I have an amount of euros that they are being invested. So my amount is 2,000 euros, and it's being invested 8% annually. What will be the amount after 10 years, let's say? I can use, first of all, let me write my date, the information with my formula, concerning the formula. So they give me the present value here, which is 2,000. They give me the rate, which is 8%. And also they give me N, which is 10 years. So if I'll take the future value will be 2,000 times 1 minus 8 over 100, that's 8%, to the power of 10. And the answer will be 4,317.585. If I will ask the same question, but I have a decrease, then this is plus. If I have the same question with a decrease, it will be 2,000 times 1 minus 8 over 100 to the power of 10, which is 868.78. So you see, My initial capital, it is 2,000, with an increase became 4, but when I have a decrease, of course, it's smaller. Now, this is the first part of my financial mathematics. We can also do exactly the same calculation using my calculator. Let's see that also. Generally, it's easier. So to do that, you have to go to your calculator here, and I will open it. You will go to your apps and select finance. Then you will go to your TVM solver. Let me clear all this. No, second, quit. Let me make a fast clear of the memory. Reset, all RAM, reset. And now let me go to my apps, finance, TVM solver. So now here, what my problem asks, it says how many years I have the investment, 10. How much is the interest rate? 8%. The present value. Now for my present value, because I am putting the money in the bank, let's say, so basically, because I'm going to withdraw them from the bank where I make the investment, I should put the minus. Very important. 2,000. Now this is compound. We will see that later. It's compounded yearly, so we are okay. So I'll go to see here to FV, future value, and put alpha, press alpha and solve. So you see I found the same answer. Let's see the difference here. Instead of 2,000, let me put plus 2,000. You see I get an error. So the most important thing is to remember to put a minus here in my 2,000. If I'll put 2,000 here, yes, and let me go to the solver. So you see I get the answer. Before I made a small mistake, I get the answer but with a negative, which means this is the amount that I have to give, not to take. So be careful, here it should be minus.